It generated heated debate when it was tabled in Parliament last year, and with President Uhuru Kenyatta finally signing the Protection Against Domestic Violence Bill into law, victims of domestic violence can now obtain restraining orders to keep their violent partners at bay.
My daughter is sick, I need to know.
I'm telling you the truth.
Do you understand that I need to know what's happening to my daughter?
The law spells out specific abuses that spouses and their children should be protected from. Psychological abuse, which covers insults, ridicule or name-calling, as well as repeated threats to cause emotional pain. Parents are now barred from hurling abuses at each other in the presence of their children. On the list also is sexual violence within marriage, defilement, incest, intimidation, stalking, female genital mutilation, as well as forced marriage and wife inheritance, which are prevalent among nomadic communities and in Nyanza region respectively. Spouses are also protected from interference from in-laws, virginity testing, and widow cleansing. Anyone going through any form of this abuse has room to seek protection from the police, where apart from obtaining a restraining order in courts of law, the victim can seek protection in safety houses which are to be constructed by county governments. While the abusers will be charged for these crimes as set out in already existing laws, the new act will only have them ordered to pay if their victims separate from them. The court may award compensation, taking into account various costs incurred by the victim, including medical treatment, loss of earnings and lodging expenses if the spouse moves out of their matrimonial home. An abusive spouse will further be required to pay transport expenses for their moving partner. The Act also makes unprecedented provisions, requiring culprits to pay expenses for setting up a separate home for their departing partner. This will include housing loan payments or rental payments. In what the Act identifies as economic abuse, the Act protects spouses from being denied the right to employment or engaging in any income-generating activity. This in a country where some husbands are known to bar their wives from seeking employment. Esther Kahumbi, Sunday Live.